The bag, you put the edges over. Now look, now you see what I've got? Now I've got a stand for this. So we'll take this. Oh, this is actually quite genius. My liquid marinade goes in.
Look, this right here is genius. You know what, it's super simple, but it make your life so much better. But check it out, now we just gonna go ahead and put it here. Bring it over here to this side, right? And then you just open this up like this, and check that out, folks. Super simple.
Helps so tremendously, makes life a little bit easier. A bit quicker. It's very handy. Much handier than you think it would be. Hold your bags open for you when you are putting things like raw chicken in them or anything on there.
We use it, 3 times, 4 times a week.
I did not want to store this in my cabinets. I have limited cabinet space. I use it all the time now.